What if I told you that a tool small enough to fit in your hand can tackle bolts that seem impossible to loosen? Half-inch cordless impact wrenches have become a go-to choice for anyone who wants serious torque without being tied down by cords. In this video, we are looking at the best half-inch cordless impact wrenches. I'll match different products to a few categories so you can quickly see which one might make sense for your needs. All the links to these wrenches are waiting for you in the description if you want to check them out. And while you're here, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap that little bell so you'll catch future reviews. If you've got any questions or just want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. I'll be checking them out. Let's get straight into the reviews. Milwaukee M18 Fuel High Torque Half-Inch Impact Wrench. Best overall, half-inch cordless impact wrench. If you're looking for something that can really muscle through tough jobs, this one doesn't mess around. The first thing that stands out is the torque. We're talking about 1,000 foot-pounds, which is way more than most folks will ever need. That kind of strength makes it perfect for stubborn bolts or heavy equipment work, the kind of situations where a regular impact wrench would just give up. Now, it is part of Milwaukee's 18-volt system, so if you already have their batteries, you're in good shape. That's a nice bonus, since buying into one battery platform can save you a lot of hassle in the long run. Size-wise, it's just under 6 pounds, which isn't the lightest out there, but for something packing this much muscle, that weight feels fair. The dimensions are pretty manageable, though after a long day your arms will definitely know you've been using it. I like to think of it as the gym membership you didn't ask for. Build quality looks tough, with a polished metal housing that gives it a professional feel. Price-wise, it lands in the mid-range. Not the cheapest, but considering the kind of torque you're getting, it earns its spot as best overall. WorkPro 20-volt half-inch impact wrench. Best budget, half-inch cordless impact wrench. If you're looking for something that won't drain your wallet, this one is a smart pick. It's built for folks who need a half-inch impact wrench, but don't necessarily need the kind of muscle you'd see on higher-priced tools. The torque here tops out at about 320 foot-pounds, which is plenty for most light to medium jobs. Lug nuts, basic repairs, and everyday tasks, this tool handles those just fine. The motor is brushed, which means it's not as fancy as some of the brushless ones out there, but that's part of why the price stays in the budget range. It does have a variable speed trigger, so you've got good control depending on how hard you press it. And I like that it comes with 3 LED lights built in, because I don't know about you, but I've dropped more sockets in the dark than I'd like to admit. It's a little on the heavier side at about 6.5 pounds, and the length is close to 14 inches, so it's not the most compact. That said, you do get a battery, charger, and even a belt clip in the box. For a budget kit, that's tough to beat. Ingersoll Rand W7152 half-inch impact wrench. Best half-inch cordless impact wrench for mechanics. If you're working in a shop or wrenching on cars all day, this one feels like it was built with mechanics in mind. What grabs attention right away is the torque. 1,000 foot-pounds, with nut-busting torque reaching 1,500. That's the kind of strength that makes frozen bolts and stubborn lug nuts feel a lot less scary. The design is shorter than many others, about 8 inches from tip to tail, so it can squeeze into tighter spaces under a hood. It does come in heavier, close to 8 pounds with the battery, but the balance is tuned so it doesn't twist your wrist like some high-torque tools do. Think of it like lifting a heavy backpack. The weight's there, but it rides evenly. Another standout is the 4-mode control system. You can switch between max, mid, wrench tight, and hand tight depending on the job. That saves you from over-tightening something you'll regret later. And I've got to mention the ring of LEDs around the front. No more shadows where you least want them. It is on the premium side for price, but the build is tough, the battery kit is generous, and the warranty runs 3 years. For mechanics, this one's a beast worth considering. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR High Torque half-inch impact wrench. Best high torque, half-inch cordless impact wrench. If raw torque is what you're after, this one doesn't hold back. With fastening torque over 1,000 foot-pounds and breakaway torque up to 1,400, it's the kind of tool that can take on rusted, stubborn bolts without breaking a sweat. That kind of strength is usually what people expect from pneumatic tools, but here it's packed into a cordless setup. The size is pretty manageable at just over 8 inches long, though the weight is a little over 6 pounds without a battery. Pop in a bigger pack and it does get heavy, especially if you're working overhead. Let's just say your shoulders won't thank you after a full day, but the job gets done. I really like that it comes with 4 different speed settings and a precision wrench mode. That little feature helps prevent over-tightening, which has probably saved more than a few bolts from snapping. Add in the variable trigger, and you've got good control for both lighter and heavy-duty work. There's an LED work light built in, so dark corners aren't a problem. The price lands in the mid-range, and since it runs on the 20-volt max battery system, it fits right into the DeWalt lineup many folks already use. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Mid-Torque Half-inch impact wrench. Best versatile, half-inch cordless impact wrench. This one sits right in the sweet spot between heavy hitters and compact models, which is why it gets called the most versatile. You've got breakaway torque up to about 1,000 foot-pounds, but at the same time, it can dial things way down to 35 foot-pounds for lighter fastening. That range makes it useful for everything from lug nuts to smaller bolts without worrying about stripping threads. What really stands out is the weight. At just under 4 pounds, it feels a lot easier to manage compared to some of the bulkier high-torque tools. The 10-inch length makes it compact enough to get into tighter spots, like around brake assemblies or mower blades. I'd say it's the kind of tool that saves you from wrestling in awkward angles. There are 4 drive modes, including a bolt removal control that slows things down after breaking a fastener loose. That's a smart touch. Less chance of dropping hardware and chasing it across the garage floor. The Tri-LED lights are another nice detail, giving you plenty of visibility without harsh shadows. Price-wise, it falls into the budget to mid-range. For a compact, lightweight impact that still brings serious torque, this one really earns the versatile label. DeWalt Atomic Compact Half-inch Impact Wrench. Best compact, half-inch cordless impact wrench. If space is tight and you don't want to lug around a heavy tool, this compact option really shines. At just under 3 pounds, it's one of the lightest half-inch impact wrenches out there, which makes a big difference if you're holding it overhead or crawling under a car. It's less than 10 inches long too, so it fits into places where bigger tools would get stuck. Torque here goes up to 300 foot-pounds, with breakaway torque hitting around 450. That's plenty for most automotive jobs and general fastening tasks. It won't outmuscle the big high-torque models, but that's not the point. It's about having the right mix of strength and portability. You get 4 speed settings, along with a precision wrench mode, which helps avoid over-tightening. There's even a timber screw mode, making it useful outside of auto work too. The built-in LED is bright and has adjustable brightness, which means you won't be fumbling in the dark. The hog ring anvil makes swapping sockets quick, though some folks mention it can be a bit snug. Price sits in the budget to mid-range, and since it runs on the 20-volt max system, it pairs easily with other DeWalt batteries. So there you have it. Some options that cover everything from budget-friendly picks to heavy hitters built for serious jobs. No matter what kind of work you're doing, there's something out there that fits the bill. If you're interested in any of them, the links are down in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Drop a comment too. Let me know which one caught your eye, or if there's another tool you think deserves a spot. And if you're still in a tool hunting mood, check out some of our other videos. We've got plenty more lined up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.